welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with UNiceHair. Today's video is just showing you their new patented Byebye knot lace wig. So basically it's just like one knotted. They already bleached it and everything for you, so you can see it looks like scalp. They pre-did the baby hairs, so I did not have to cut them or anything. They have them in the perfect spot, and all I had to do was install the wig and then define the curls. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got the wig to look like this, because it did not come looking like this out the package, let's get right into this video.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt, cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
See my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And know my heart can't take no more. so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more. I keep on letting. See, my days are cold without you. Without you. Without you. I keep on running.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Let me know if you enjoyed it down below. If you want to get this wig, I'll have it linked in my description box below. Also, let me know if you guys have tried out my curly hair method so far. You literally can use any mousse and it will come out just like this. Just make sure you spritz a little tiny bit of water and put the mousse on top and you'll be good to go. Because you know mousse dries quicker than water, so you want to make sure you have a little bit of water and a whole lot of mousse and your hair will dry super fast. This baby took me about 20 minutes to dry, and I mean it's about 80% dry, but that's gonna work for me. I'm not pressed. As long as the ends are dried so the curls don't get poofy at the ends, that's basically all you need, okay? So yeah, if you guys are interested in getting this wig, I will have all UNiceHair links down below, so make sure you check my description box. Don't forget to leave a comment, leave me some orange hearts so I'll know that you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all